Time now for This Week in Auto History. Mr. Mars has history.
This week,
hold on, Michael. There we go. Gotcha.
April 14th, 1927, the very first Volvo was produced in 1927. 280 cars that year left the line. This was built to withstand. That's the drag racing.
Oh, did I get the wrong one?
So anyway, the car was built and designed to withstand Sweden's harsh roads and the frigid temperatures, but they figured out real quick that the very popular open carriage design wasn't going to work so well. So the next year they changed it, and so they only produced the open carriage design 1 year.
There it is. Looks like Granny's car.
Yep,
from the Beverly Hillbillies.
Then, April the 16th, 2003, the Honda Element goes on sale. Now, this is
It's only half painted.
One of the very first adventure vehicles. You could get accessories, including tents and roof racks. And it did attract a lot of buyers. The first year, 70,000 they sold in the very first year. However, it's a single generation, and it continued as it was until 2011 when its sales stopped. Also, April the 17th, 1964, the Ford Mustang goes on sale. Debuted at the New York Auto Show, and approximately 22,000 were sold on the first day on the market.
Who's that in that picture? No, up on the top of the statue.
Looks like Columbus.
Yeah, I'm thinking more along the lines of the guy that had the smoking tobacco.
Oh. I'm thinking
Sir Walter Raleigh.
Oh, it looks like a knight from playing chess.
Yeah.
Like a chess piece.
So they sold 22,000 on the first day. 18 months, they had over 1 million were sold.
It's Mars with a hat like that.
Yeah, the first one sold for $2,368. Now, there's a side story to this I found in the Chicago Sun-Times. Yeah. That this car here, Gail Wise bought the very first Ford Mustang sold in the United States. Now, what happened was she got a new job, graduated, got a job as a school teacher. Her family were Ford drivers. They took her down to buy her first car to the Ford dealer. Couldn't find anything she wanted in a convertible because the family had always drove convertibles. Salesman said, look, I got something in the back here that we got hidden. I'll show you. Goes back there. She sees it. She falls in love with it. No test drive. Made him a cash offer. $3,447.50. He sold the car to her 2 days before the official debut. So this car that she now owns 60 years later was sold 2 days before it was supposed to be sold. So this is the very first car that was sold, Mustang sold. The other 20,000 were sold.
I bet it wasn't blue back then.
Yes, it was. That's the color.
That's the car.
Really?
She had it restored. It parked in the garage for several years, but she's had it restored, running and driving.
All right.
Very cool.
Is that the end of it?
Yeah, I just thought it was cool that she bought it before it actually went on sale.
Well, yeah.
And then she still got it.
I'm sure that the dealer didn't want that let out.
Well,
I'll take it.
Salesman wanted to make money.
Well, yeah, he couldn't turn it down.
Be
Cash
sure
offer.
to go to my car dealerships that I tell you to go to because I put $1,000 in my pocket for every car, every referral that I have.
Welcome to 420.